Do this every week and you'll see what happens. Isopropyl alcohol is a type of alcohol widely used when cleaning all types of components in the home and in vehicles, as it is very effective when cleaning any surface. In terms of cleaning, you can clean absolutely everything, because in addition to being superior to conventional cleaning products, it is the best type of alcohol that can be found for cleaning surfaces. But it is not the cleanliness of what we have come to speak in this video, or good, but rather of eradication. Because there are times when a time passes and we do not clean our mattress properly, we can find some annoying insects that can sneak into our pillows and mattresses to bite us at any time. And for these occasions, it is not wrong to have a good remedy at hand to fix it. Moreover, I would swear that most remedies that we expose in this list are unknown, because they are so exceptional, that I never imagined they could work. Here we detail them. 1. Get rid of insects on pillows and mattresses. Insects can be a real problem once they arrive. Even if you are really careful, you can sneak home after the holidays or after spending the night in the unhygienic home of a friend. Fortunately, alcohol can help kill all these unpleasant parasites. Fill a spray bottle with alcohol and spray generously on your pillows and mattresses. Since insects lay eggs, it is important to repeat this process several times to get rid of them completely. 2. Kill the lice. Alcohol is also ideal for eliminating lice. Fill a spray bottle with alcohol and add a few drops of lavender oil. Apply liberally on your scalp and hair. Comb the hair to eliminate dead lice. The Wisconsin Division of Public Health recommends leaving the lice-filled comb soaking in the mixture for at least an hour to ensure they